Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full coverage, like everyday makeup tutorial. I am a full coverage kind of girl. I do not like to go light on my face. I love my makeup to last all day. I do not wear makeup every single day, but when I do wear makeup, I like a full beat. I love full coverage. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, so what I like to do first, I just love applying any lip gloss that's gonna plump my lips. So my go-to like lip plumper definitely is the Buxom lip polish in Katie. I am obsessed with their like lip plumpers. Katie is definitely one of my favorite. I love using my MAC Fix Plus. Like obviously you guys can tell that I literally use this every single day. Like I only have this much. I just spray this literally all over my face and then I just apply my foundation on top of that. I haven't been using primer. It holds up my makeup, so I haven't had any complaints. I'm gonna spray this literally all over my face. Usually while I do my makeup, I love watching my favorite Netflix shows, and right now my favorite show at the moment, it's called 90210. It's pretty bomb. I'm going to minimize my pores using the Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Shield. It treats and blurs and protects your face. So I'm just gonna use this and apply this on the areas where my pores are visible. Since I don't really wear a lot of eyeshadow, I just like to apply my foundation first. And for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And I'm sure this is in the shade Cashew. I actually have a sample of it because I've been like trying it out. And I love it, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and obviously purchase it. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my Morphe beauty sponge to blend that out. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you guys know that I'm looking for a really good matte foundation. I tried the new NARS foundation, which is the Longwear foundation, and I actually really hate it. At first when I tried it on, I actually liked it, but I didn't wear it for so long. And actually the other day I wore it for over 8 hours and my face looked like a grease ball. And for concealer today, I am going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC25. And to apply my concealer, I'm going to be using the Eye Shading Sigma brush. This is the E55. And now to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. For brows today, I've been loving this combination. I've been using the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and they're both in dark brown. Okay, so I basically just finished my brows. I've never done a eyebrow tutorial for you guys. Like I've never really went fully in depth on how I fill in my brows. So if you guys are interested, please like this video or comment down below if you guys are interested to see a tutorial on my brows, and I will definitely have that up for you guys very soon. I'm just going to be dusting off my powder, and the brush I'm using today, it's the F35 by Sigma. I'm just going to be setting my foundation using my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC42. Now I feel like this powder really keeps my makeup in place. I think this is definitely the secret. This powder is just simply amazing. So to bronze up my face, I'm going to be using, of course, the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. I am currently hitting pan, which is very disappointing. I really love this brush. This is the Morphe M527 brush. It's huge and fluffy, and I feel like it really applies my bronzer nicely. For blush today, I'm going to be using the MAC blush in Peaches. You guys know that this is a all-time favorite for a lot of people, but I've literally recently started to use it and I am obsessed with it. I love it. It's super peachy, which I love. I'm going to be using my Morphe M530 to apply it. I'm going to be taking my Morphe R38 brush and I'm going to be applying a little bit of my bronzer on my eyelids. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my favorite mascara, which is the Buxom Big Tease mascara. A lot of you guys really like these lashes and always ask me on Snapchat, what lashes am I wearing? And they look like this. They are the Koko lashes in Venus. So I'm just gonna wipe off my lip gloss. I could have left it on if I wanted to, but today I am feeling a nude, like, matte lip. I'm gonna be using the Lipland Cosmetics in collaboration with Alina. I'm gonna be using the Dollface liquid lipstick because it's definitely one of my favorite nudes. For lip liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in Nude Truffle. So yeah guys, this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and follow me on all of my social medias. And please comment down below what you guys would like to see next. I know Valentine's Day is coming, so if you guys want to see any Valentine's Day looks, then please comment down below and let me know. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video.